In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in a Lightning email template. This is a useful skill for anyone looking to enhance the visual appeal of their emails and make them more engaging for recipients. So let's get started. First, you need to navigate to the app launcher. From there, you'll want to select email templates. This is where all the magic happens, as this section allows you to create or modify templates that form the backbone of your email communications. Whether you're starting from scratch or updating an existing template, this initial step is key to making sure you're working in the right area of your email interface. Next, decide whether you want to create a brand new email template or simply edit one that you've already created. If it's a new template, you'll have a blank canvas to work with, allowing more freedom in terms of design and content creation. If you're editing, you'll be integrating the image into your existing template, so think about where it might best fit your current layout to enhance clarity and design. Now, once you're in the email body editor, the real fun begins. You'll notice a variety of formatting options. One of these will be an image icon which you'll need to click. This icon is your gateway to transforming a plain email into a visually stimulating message for your audience. After clicking the image icon, you'll see options such as browse or upload. Selecting one of these will let you choose your desired image. You want an image that not only complements your email content, but also speaks to the theme or purpose of your message. At this point, if the image you want to use is already stored in your media files, you can simply choose it. Alternatively, if the image is on your computer, you can click Upload Image to select and upload it directly. Remember to ensure that the image is of good quality and the file size is manageable to prevent any issues during the upload process. Once you have chosen your image and it is successfully uploaded, the final step in this process is to click Save. By saving, you ensure that all your hard work is not lost and that your image will appear perfectly in your email template, ready to catch the eye of every recipient. With that, your image is now embedded into the email body. It's a straightforward process, but one that can dramatically enhance the effectiveness of your emails. By following these steps, you can add a spark of creativity to your communications, making them not only informative but also visually appealing. Thank you for tuning in and happy emailing.